Cooking, bringing you the best recipes in home workouts and tips. And on this channel, you're going to find a lot of recipe recreations, simple in home workouts, and tips for busy moms. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my black bean burger. We're going to start off with 2 cans of black beans. They've already been drained and rinsed. And then I'm going to take a hand smasher and I'm going to smash these beans. Not completely, but smash them up pretty good. So now I've got these nice and smashed up. And now I'm going to add, I have a small onion here that I've diced up. So I'm going to add a small onion. And then I'm going to add some cumins. 2 tablespoons of cumin powder. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and 2 whole eggs. And then we're going to mix it all around. And finally, we're going to add a cup of old-fashioned oatmeal. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to patty these out and I'm going to put them on this plate here. Just take a spoonful, about like this, and form them into a little patty, about this size here. And just lay them on a plate, on a baking sheet that has parchment paper on it. Just something to where you can lay them flat, because we're going to put them in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. That way they can harden up before we actually cook them. So now we've got these patted out. It made about 7, so here's 4 of them. I've got 3 already in the freezer. We're going to put them in there and let them kind of set up for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now we're going to put our black bean burgers in the hot pan. They've been cooking for about 8 minutes now, so I'm going to go ahead and flip these over. You want to make sure that they're a golden brown, and you're going to be able to tell whenever you flip them over and make sure that they're actually set up and that they're cooked enough or they will fall apart. So you make sure that they are golden brown on one side. And now these are finished. These are our last ones here. I'm just going to put them on this pan. Now this recipe is also in my cookbook at NicoleBrennanCoaching.com. I'll leave the link below. This is just one of the recipes in my cookbook. And you can eat these either just on a plate with some vegetables. You can eat them on a bun, on some bread, have a black bean burger sandwich. So if you've enjoyed this recipe, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And remember that your health is your greatest wealth. I'll talk to you soon. Mwah.